There is absolutely no better sound than hearing the pilot say, "We are approaching our landing." Hello, South Africa. It's good to be back. Good morning, Bahlali. We are officially home. We've just passed the immigration. Yeah, and the good thing is there was no queue. That's the beautiful thing about early flights. Don't have to queue up. And we are home. Let's go and have some South African fun. But it's chilly. I can already feel that it's cold, and it was so warm where we are coming from. People are always traveling. What time is it? It's so early in the morning and the airport is full already. I'm just taking my guess because I usually know where this. Oh yeah, it is what I thought. Number 7. Hi guys, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button so that you do not miss another video.